Hello, hello. This is your damn spiritual reading. Like, share, and subscribe, and feel the vibe. If you wonder why you're looking at this bottle, it's because Jaguar Wright is just like prune juice. She's full of shit. As she tries to manipulate, play mind games on TJ. You see, I told you, Chad. She said you could play with them kids. But she's setting herself up what she's about to do. And she's going to use those agreements, must I say, as excuses. You talked about her children, even though they're not her kids. See, now the ballpark is open. Do you feel my fire? I want to let them hear you manipulate TJ to bring her mindset back.
To me about stupid shit. That's not my fault. I didn't make this bitch executive over your shit. You did. And you can be frustrated about it. But don't take it the fuck out on me, because I'm not the bitch robbing you. I'm the bitch that's making sure money's staying in your fucking pocket. I'm the bitch that's been providing for us since Naisha started taking your fucking bread. So don't play that. Don't do that. I'm not doing that. You got smoke? Then give it. Blow it up that bitch's fucking ass. But you ain't gonna put that shit on me. This bitch has been robbing you for 3 weeks straight. Lying to you, lying to you, lying to you. What's really hurting her right now is that I came out in the parking lot and I told her, get your shit together. People are looking at you. Sitting out here crying in the fucking parking lot like a 5-year-old over shit I told you last week. You wouldn't have been side-blinded by the fact that it was Naisha that got the car motherfucking repo now that you were on the phone with your sister. You shouldn't have been side-blinded by that. I told you that shit a week ago. I put the whole thing together. I connected all the dots. I showed you, which only proves that you're upset about it today, and you didn't believe me when I told you last week.
You see, manipulation is real. The car never belonged to TJ. The title hadn't been changed. Nash called a repo man because the payments weren't paid. Do you feel my fire? Allegedly, TJ is keeping secrets. She's telling everybody else info, but not displaying hers. You see, TJ, you've been hitting that alcohol. Something a Graves' disease person doesn't supposed to do. Alcohol works as a parasite to your nerve system. Do you feel my vibe? I am the darkest spiritual reader. You see, Jackie is pulling those cards just like nature pulled. You need to work on yourself, she says. And don't blame her for your choices. Because TJ, you know you ready to run. Things go around, don't maybe retreat. Do you feel my vibe? Nash, knowing your level of loving those kids that you never had, they didn't come at your canal, nor was you caretaking Nash. It was some criminal activity, allegedly. You see, as you and Nash both has used your 24-year-old daughter that allegedly has some addiction investment, must I say. son. And that son that don't go to school, he does what in the hell he wanted to. Let's talk about it. One is a teenager. One is a dysfunctional grown woman that you got because of abuse. Tell the truth. And while you playing with Jackie, that jumps to Jag so she can jag you. You know what? You're not taking in consideration the time you spending with Jag. You could be giving your daughter, adopted daughter, a new side of life. Jag is old as hell and burning like fire, alive. TJ, you are not perfect. You and Jag common is to give away all your funds. Do you feel my vibe? Every dime you get will be spent. Jag doesn't save a dime. But Jag is not all so bad when it comes to caretaking, because she know how to manipulate and guide you to that evil, demonic force. To recognize what's really going down.
And if you can't nobody handle you typically, no the fuck I'm not. Because nobody else is. Unfortunately, your life has now changed. You are a fucking public figure. You walk out into the street with me and people are recognizing you. Not just because you're with me, they're recognizing you. Get your shit together, babe. Don't ever let these motherfuckers see you sweat. Get that shit to that wet fucking whale hoe bitch. You've been fucking for 11 years, wasn't even fucking gay, who was using you as a fake baby daddy because the real nigga that fucking knocked her ass up left her and went to fucking prison. Like, I'm not that.